It's February 5th. I'm out here driving my new pre-tested Grand Prix. I put the forward band in that I got from ZZ Performance. Got to get a few other parts that I got from Rock Auto, and those were the gaskets, and they got other gaskets, but I got some gaskets for the plate, one of the plates, and a filter kit. Yeah. Stop here so that I can fix that. Anyway, we're fixing it. I already tested it and everything. But yeah, I got the transmission back together. I got, like I said, I got the forward band from ZZ Performance. I got the gaskets and the filter kit from Rock Auto. It was in good shape. I really didn't have a whole lot of problems, except the connectors all broke. Had to glue all of them back in with silicone. And yeah, some of the gaskets broke, so I had to buy some gaskets. Really nice little car. Had to do a little bit on emissions, change the oil. Brakes are good on it. We're gonna go up here and turn around Vernon Rollins' driveway. Got Vernon Rollins, my neighbor. Sort of around here, everybody's neighbors. Well, we know a lot of people if you live around here as long as I have, which is almost about 40 years, maybe longer than that. But yeah, we're gonna probably turn around old Vernon's driveway again. That works pretty good. I like that. Had to make sure there wasn't no dogs running around the road.